chartered accountancy profession is depends on the confidence of public, and every single member's behavior will be reflecting the profession. You know, when chartered accountant is found guilty GST frauds, it's not only that fellow goes to the jail, that is one aspect, but the implication on the profession as a whole. You understand? So therefore, you have to convince the court that here is the case, my case is this person, whether a person of this nature is worth to be the member. That is the first step. So you have to convince the court that it is a disciplinary authority. Remember, it is the disciplinary authority will take a decision. But here you are coming for an appeal, judicial review. We are only testing not that. We are going to test only the procedure followed. The procedure followed against the touchstone of law is only checked. That is very, very important. We are now coming to, here is a clear case. Here is a member who is not at all aggrieved in this matter. Here is a member who is not at all aggrieved in this matter, and but then why is he doing like this? Secondly, okay, what he has done, is it correct? What he has done, will it be correct? That is another point. He is telling lies. That is the next point I have to establish. So I have a case. Now how to convince the court? How I can convince the court? That is the next part. And in this particular case, let us see, friends, most important. So we are now, whenever the case is taken up as a complainant, we have to think on these lines. So in this, my case, I have made out a case. Sorry, just a minute. I have made out a case, is my opinion. Now, I have gone to the disciplinary committee, the director discipline, the first level, and definitely I know justice will not be done to me, because here I have a problem. The director discipline is a BSc graduate. He neither knows accounting standards or legal experience. So this fellow is passing the orders. That is one part in the principles of natural justice. Whatever he has done, it goes to the next level. Board of discipline will admit, approve. And there what happened, the board of discipline, one person who chaired is Subodh Kumar Agarwal, the president or vice president. He should not have chaired, because I filed a case against him for 100 crore fraud. That court proceedings found him guilty. So he should not have said. That is another violation of principles of natural justice. How will you bring all these things in a short time? That is a very, very important point, dear friends. So it came to so many judges. Every case they will jump on me. Institute lawyer will jump on me, saying that he has already apologized. What case he has got? Then they were not taking okay and all adjourned. Then I also used to think something is wrong. Then I know the defenses of the opposition is two. One is I already apologized, and this is established. And what is there? Everything is based on that apology letter only. They have decided every case, these things. So my legal knowledge was very low. And see, if you go to an advocate, he may not be knowing all this, interested to know also. He will just think of this basic law, case, and then he will decide. He may not go deep into the subject like us. So over a period of time, I understood that the other side is depending on this factor. We must attack that only. You never leave. When the opposition is attacking, what is he attacking? You want answer for it. then only you will win the case. Your case may be this thing is there, but that is not issue. What is his case? Let us beat it, then come to our case. Now the purpose of this lecture is I am going to read out the judgment to understand to what extent the Honorable Judge appreciated the evidence that has been presented before him. So, as I told you, one day when these 2-3 hearings over, he clearly told, I am going to remit back this case to the disciplinary committee. I will not pass any observations what are the facts. So please be clear. And when the other side of advocate junior was there, and he said, this is what I will do. If you are going on arguing, then I will pass observations. What do you want? And then that madam said, no, my senior will come. The senior came. And the senior hammered. He took up the case. He realized that there is no defense made out in the my case. He was telling, his argument was, this why is he using Bhupati? What is that Bhupati has got to do against a complaint with this person? You are trying to say he is in a professional other misconduct. So what is Bhupati has got to do? If you have grievance, you go to civil defamation. It looks very fine. So the judge, Honorable Judge, is told, no, I think I am convinced with his argument. I don't think you have a case. He told just before dismiss, he said, no, I am going to dismiss this case. He said. Then I took up that matter. What are the charges? And these are the charges. This is the evidence I have given. And this man says, there is no evidence. So whatever evidence I have given, he should have before thing, he should say this evidence is given by me and this evidence is not correct. Something like that. Or is immaterial to the charge. It is a crystal evidence admitted in a court of law I gave. So therefore that case is gone. I knew that. That I learnt over such long period. So no doubt this is a case which could have not, the institute is not the platform. When that is applies to me, I told him the same stand, what was the problem with this fellow? First this person is aggrieved. Is he aggrieved? No. His grievance is, I am talking about one Mr. Bhupati. And that's all. This fellow is